Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading. Let's get into the week. It's April 27th, 2025. Actually, it's the 28th. Recording this at like 3 a.m. The market's already open. But we're gonna go over what is this, week 17. We're gonna go over weekly trading tips for profit for S&P 500 and Bitcoin futures. Let's get into the week. Okay, here we are with the Dow. Let's take a look at what we were looking at last week. It's our daily chart. Price did not come back into this imbalance above here. Looks like price action is still kind of consolidating right now within this range, this daily range, since we had our breaker structure here. Overall, nothing for us to see here. Have this gap up. Looks like what was it? Wednesday, Friday had a doji where price I guess it just ended where it started. So Wednesday we had a gap up. Price came back right back down into that area. Let's see where we can go from here. Let's look. It's the end of the month. Huge bearish candle for the month. It came all the way back down to clean up this imbalance for our monthly imbalance. So right now my thoughts are price is setting up to make a move. Still have this equal low down here that we may get to before continuing up. And again, it's the end of the month. Who knows? This week could come down here. Right now we still have that weekly imbalance up here to clean up. And we have this equal low roughly down here. So the market's already open, like I said. Price is coming down first, so it looks like it's probably going to come up and push into this area up here so far. So I won't say that prices change direction until we have a breaker structure right here at 40.90.49 or 49.50 roughly. We get a daily close above that, I would say, price will be continuing up. But it may just touch this imbalance and probably take out this equal high right here back on Thursday, April 3rd, and come back. Look for price to go up. It's starting out down. Very small wick. So overall, that's my thoughts about the Dow right now. I think we are going to move up into this area and take out this imbalance at least, and probably clean up that equal daily high. So 4 hour. Yeah, even on a 4 hour, we're leaving equal low candles. It's looking real rough on our 4 hour candles here. Equal low. Kind of clean up this imbalance. But even right here, our open of this, we're closing out this first hour of this 4 hour candle. And that candle has no wick right now. So overall, we're just looking at still downtrending. So that's why I said, like, when we open going down, more than likely price is gonna retrace and go up. It's setting this wick. So, you know, again, 4 hour got a candle here, right here in the middle of our range with no wick on our 4 hour. Right above that, have a candle with no wick. So likely, it's highly likelihood we're going to revisit this sometime soon. It may be today, Monday, um, at least to this one. So we'll see. We'll see. The plan is the plan. We're looking for a close outside of the range in order for us to see which way price is moving towards. Right now, it's really consolidating. So I think I would be patient with any entries. There is a chance for money to be made, but it is, you know, be cautious. We're in consolidation right now. Wait for confirmation. Let's go over here to gold. Okay, here we are with gold on our daily. Looks like we're in consolidation right now. Have these imbalances and these gap ups from the previous couple weeks. Gold's been real aggressive. We took out our target of 33.96. Our next target is 3,600. So right now we're probably looking for gold, and again, gold has been very consistent in cleaning up its imbalances before continuing up and any gaps. So right now, even with this consolidation, we're looking for a retracement, and then to get a better position, price to continue up to 3,600. Uh, Again, there's nothing showing gold is slowing down at all. I would not try to short gold. It might just let's look here. It's our breaker structure here. We have another breaker structure here, but I'm gonna say this was the overall move right here. Price may come right back into this area about midway. You see, we have a daily candle here with equal low, another daily candle with equal low. It may dip right back down into this area and then continue up. So I would be very cautious in trying to short this area. Um, I would just wait for it to come back down into discount down here and wait for confirmation. And like again, gold has been very good. Let's look at this weekly. It's the end of the month. Yeah, even with our weekly, it's pretty much cleaned up. Got a little imbalance there as well. Daily, it's clear showing like these gaps in this range. So overall, super bullish month. Again, looking right here, gold has been very efficient in cleaning up imbalances. And my thought is, if not this week, when May opens up, it's going to come back and clean that up. But again, our next target is 3,600, and I don't think about it with the end of the month that the gold is going to do anything different. So that's it for gold. Let's go over here to S&P. S&P. So had it marked off, show price and clear consolidation. I'm going to go ahead and remove these now. Had an area of imbalance we wanted price to come back to. Price at the beginning of the week broke low, as had us thinking it was, you know, going to continue down. I know we had some places marked off down here. And then Wednesday gapped up. We got a breaker structure. Is price going to continue up? We will see. So right now we have this gap here. So price started out down, so likelihood price is going to continue up right now for S&P. It would have definitely been nice to, if you did not get positioned here. Actually, I would be a little bit more patient. I'll wait for price to retrace right now. Even with this breaker structure here, we may take out this gap, uh, this gap down here. We might take out this gap down. I will wait for retracement and get price lower. Um, right now we're at a premium at the top of this range. Yeah, I would be a little bit more patient. Delete that. It's OBE. Price jump. Hold on, let me bring that back. You see where price gapped up to right into that imbalance? Right into it. So exactly what we were looking at the beginning of the week. Price jumped right into it on Wednesday. it's crazy. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. How efficient the market is. So okay. Weekly. Yeah, price just came right. Almost. It didn't really get there. Did not really get there. So here's another indicator why price may come back down and finish cleaning up this imbalance and continue up. We may have a turn. The weekly did not close above. So again, it's the end of the month as well. So it might just be cleaning up those gaps and the imbalance and come on right down to here. Next month it might, go ahead. Let's go look at the monthly. At this monthly support right here. Price came right just close, not quite, to clean up that imbalance on that monthly. I don't see this candle turn around bullish. So yeah, just be cautious. Price at a premium right now. I would be a little bit more patient to get a better position on S&P. It's the end of the month. Just let S&P do what it's going to do. Even with those the consolidation trend lines we had set up, even with that, like I said, it broke out down, got support, and gapped right up into our imbalance, and now is creating a new high on the daily. Um, so, and it gapped up right above our trend line. So right now, S&P is bullish in nature. Overall, it's bearish. Again, the monthly candles have show retracement. So right now it's in not distribution. Isn't it? No, it's not in distribution. So I can't think of the word right now, but right now, actually no, it is in distribution. But overall, it's not. But for the monthly candle, it's not. Month is showing a downward trend, right? Let's go back to the monthly so you guys can actually see it. But yeah, we're in a retracement right now overall for S&P. Got our new high, retracement, hit this support. I don't know if it's going to make it all the way back down here, but we shall see. But at least tapped into this area here and cleaned up all of these imbalances and stuff. This is monthly, and this did it in 1 month. It popped down quickly and took all of those imbalances and gaps, all the things that were left behind. It kind of cleaned up this month. So looking forward to seeing what S&P is going to do. Right now, like I said, prices, it jumped up, created that new high. We had a breaker structure. It's probably going to continue up and clean up these gaps on our daily that were left behind from previous weeks. And you could play it up to the, you know, top of this gap. Again, I wouldn't advise it. Let me do it like this. If I want to do this, got a break structure, structure, break structure. Yeah. If I do it like this, it's still not. Yeah. This is where I would be looking for a buy, which is probably probably the same place as if it was here. See, so roughly the same place, not exactly the same place, but roughly the same place. If I put it here, still this gap here is still mid, and we want to be buying in discount right now. Yeah, not saying to get it short, but I would look for price to come back into this area and come back down and come back down to this area here again. Overall monthly candle is bearish. It's not gonna flip. It's not gonna do anything super abnormal to me. I don't see it happening. Create that imbalance that is probably gonna pop into next month and then, you know, continue down. That's the reason why it's showing everything that right now. Yeah. We're in distribution right now. That's what price is showing. So, okay, let's go over here to Bitcoin. See what it's been doing. So, looking at Bitcoin, we had these areas marked out and didn't quite make it to our imbalance here. Go ahead, delete that on our 4 hour. Kind of barely touched it, then took off. So, yeah, we're there now. Where Bitcoin is making its move. We had our breaker structure here on the daily. Uh, if you are not already in this from like this area here, because we had our first breaker structure here, so this would have been a good place for you to get position. So I'm gonna remove this. This is OBE. It's here. Yeah. So again, this high here that it took out, this should be now forming support for Bitcoin. So if you do not already have a position, look for price to come back into this area here, 93.55. Before getting a position, I think that's probably our best bet. We had these 4 hour equal lows. That's why I said it didn't even come back that way. It just took off. So, you know how Bitcoin has been performing, but it did. Let's go back to the monthly. It did come back down and clean up all of that imbalance that we have been waiting for. So now it's making this move. So good stuff with Bitcoin. If you are not already in the move, here's the weekly. See, even the weekly, you can get like price may come all the way back down into here and at 87.665. That would be a good place. That would be a good place to get position and let it just keep riding. Let it keep riding. So that's the trading plan for the week. We went over weekly trade tips for profits for S&P 500 and Bitcoin futures. You guys have a great trading week. Stay safe. This investment process channel.